Hi. Every day we wake up, we scroll our phone, we react, and then we rush to our work or to our personal life. We live out of habit and we live a very comfortable, predictable, and a life which we have got used to. Now, there's nothing wrong in it. Only thing is, one day we sit and think, why am I doing something every day and not happy about it? That's when you need to pause and see what more can you get to your own life. That pause is important and very powerful because that pause lets you know that instead of reacting, you can respond. Instead of numbing all your emotions or overthinking, you can notice and get aware of your own self. Instead of living mindlessly through the life, you can live mindfully in your own life. Let's understand this transition, which can be gentle and not a leap, a big leap. It can be a cute, small whisper and not a straw. And see yourself changing into not somebody else, but coming back to your own self. Let's see this today in this video. Hope this journey with me will be meaningful to you. Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Shetty here speaking from my clinic called Sakya. The mission of Sakya is helping the world. So I was saying that when we get up in the morning, first thing we do is scroll our phones. Instead of scrolling our phone and going through our messages or whatever Insta or FB showing, how about one day not doing that? And just sit there, breathe, feel your life, take a cup of coffee and just enjoy a rain probably outside or a sun which is coming up from, or just the quiet place and home that you have. How about feeling your own self that day? Sometime after waking up, we react to a lot of things. So one such example I can say is that if somebody criticizes you or disagrees with you, you may react. How about one day just pausing and not let that reaction define you, and you start noticing and getting aware of what is inside you triggering this kind of emotion when somebody is disagreeing or criticizing you. Just notice that, and probably you may respond with curiosity to that person, asking him or her what makes you feel that way about it. This is a power. This is an emotional maturity. This is a healing from your emotional trigger. You are not reacting. You are responding with an awareness of your own feeling and choosing to take a step different. One evening when you're sitting watching a TV serial or a Netflix or your phone, and you go and binge on snack which is in your house, can you just stop that time and ask yourself, am I actually hungry or I'm trying to avoid something? Is that thing which I'm watching is making me feel bored or evoking some emotion inside me because of which I am grabbing some snack? Now, this is not overthinking. This is just an awareness. This is not restriction. This is acting out of awareness. And probably you may go for a walk, you may journal down, and you may talk to some friend you have not spoken for a while. So this is choosing differently. Another very simple example or a common example that happens in our life is sometimes when we say yes, but we want to say no. So we want to avoid conflict in a relationship, because of which we end up saying yes when we want to say no. How about one day you say that this does not work for me, but I care for you. This is self-respect and not being selfish. This is honoring your own energy and emotion and still caring for that person. So this such small shift which may conserve your energy, which may make you feel great about your own self and others, and which may shift a bit in your life. This transition from a comfort zone to a courage and clarity, this transition from overthinking, shutting down, reacting to a aware response, this transition, which is from a person who is doing all his habit and task mindlessly to a mindful, aware being. So instead of, though we feel the habits that we have are conscious choice, they're actually pattern. Instead of getting stuck in this loop of patterns, get aware of those patterns, notice those patterns, and choose to act and react or respond differently. A small step that you take every day in your life may not be something which you are trying to perfect your life, but it's a small progress that can happen every single day. You may not become into somebody else, you're just returning back to your own self. You're just outgrowing out of your old pattern and going ahead into a self which is authentic, which is not reacting out of emotional trigger, which is not scrolling because it's bored, but it is curious about life. A being which is having no time to waste its energy into something which is actually taking or sucking all its energy. Hence, such kind of person and such kind of being can give a lot of energy by just being there. So if you want a healing vibes which can heal others also, you got to respect your own self, get back to your own self, be authentic and be aware. So this transition can be very, very gentle, and it can be a transformational, magical transformation in your life, transforming your life into a person you always wanted to be. Choose a life which will bring a lot of happiness in your life by just choosing peace over anything else. I hope this video has added some value to your life. And do comment in the comment section. My vision is well-being of all of you. Thank you. See you soon.